I've been here before, paving my own.
Have a wet spoon.
Waking up to pictures all around that.
Hopefully I'm not been calling it Lancome. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today we are going to be doing a side-by-side makeup look using two different products, and I know you guys can't tell, right? So, but from the title, yes, exactly, we are going to be comparing two different products as base today, and the products are the Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder Foundation and the Juvia Place powder foundation as well in the shade Burkina, and this is in the shade Bronze. Let me know which side you think is which, and which side if you can tell that there is a difference before we get into the video proper. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified of my future content. So let us get started. I just want to quickly show you guys what I'm going to use because I need to go do my brows and I also need to do my eyeshadow. I don't want to insert all that in this video because it's going to make it long. But to be fair, because we are doing battle of high-end and drugstore right now, price point is very, very important. I don't want to lean towards one brand, or high end alone, so that it does not, everything just makes sense, So I have picked very neutral products from different brands in here. I need to do my eyebrows now, and I want to share with you guys the product I'm going to be using for my eyebrow, and that is this Anastaia Beverly Hill Brow Pencil. This is in the shade, this is the Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown, because I'm also looking towards a neutral look, nothing too heavy on my face. So I think that, and for eyeshadow palette, for eyeshadow palette, let me just go grab a new one. So I just quickly grabbed this Rivera palette, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't think I've used it only once, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Because I'm reaching for a neutral tone, the shades here will give me the perfect neutral tone that I'm looking to get for the eye look. So I'm going to do those right now and I'll be right back. Oh, for concealer, I'm not using a Juvia's Place concealer this time around. I'm using this KVD Beauty concealer. I have it in the shade Tan 162. So that is what I'm going to be using to clean my brows, set my base for my eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. So guys, I am done with the eye look. I just went for a very simple eye look. I winged it, no lashes, just mascara. For mascara, I used these two, the Bare Minerals and the Lancome Adult Lashes, and the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Lashes. That is what I have on my mascara, rather. That is what I have on my eyes. So now I want to go on to create the... Sorry for that interruption. If you noticed, my memory card got filled up, so the camera stopped recording. So I want to go on now to create my base, and I want to apply my primer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. primer today. The time is currently, like, I can't believe I'm filming a makeup video this early. It is 8:33. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is currently 8:33 if this one we pick. So I can't believe I'm filming a makeup video this early, but yes, this is what we do for content creation. So I have just applied the primer and I'm going to let it sit. I am also not going to color correct. This is because I want both products to perform on its own. I have used color corrector on both. You guys have watched the video of both products individually. That is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Matte Powder Foundation. This is what it looks like. I have it in the shade 5W1, the bronze. I'll be using the Juvia's Place powder foundation. I just uploaded a video about this, reviewing it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I have this in the shade Burkina. So let us put this side by side before we even get to application, to see if there is any visible There is slight visible difference, and this is that this one is not as warm as Burkina is obviously very warm, and but they are both warm tone foundation, undertone foundation. So, and even looking at it in person, I wouldn't think this is a warm foundation, but it is warm. And this one, looking at it offhand, you know that it is a very warm foundation. So because I want to film a separate video with this for my reels, I'm going to go on now to apply this on my left hand. I'm going to apply it on my left hand side, and it's going to be a real video. If you're not following me on my Instagram, please do. The reason why I am not doing it with you guys is just because I just brought an application video of this, and I really want to create a real content with this product for my Instagram. So guys, I have applied the Juvia's Place on here, and this is the finish. You guys are familiar with the finish, and you can see the clear difference between my left hand side and my right hand side. So using the same brush, I'm just going to wipe off the excess of the Juvia's Place. And yeah, that is clean. We're going to go in with the Estee Lauder one. Just apply, swell as much as I can.
Nothing's like before. In a sea of gold, swimming.
There is that immediate warmth. Juvia's Place will have to adjust their powder foundation at the end of the day, because I'm not the only one that have talked about how warm it is. It is very, very warm, almost reddish on my skin tone. This gives me the perfect match to my skin, blending it into my neck.
Till I find a place where I can call my home. I've been on my way up, and I'm gonna stay up like the Himalayas, climbing to the sun.
So guys, this is the finish of the Juvia's Place, and this is the finish of the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And you can see the obvious warmth. This is very warm, very, very orangey, and almost like, yeah, and it gives this does not, like I said in my previous video, the way it is warm, it is taking away from how foundations easily blend with my neck shade, with my skin on my neck, because my neck is a lot lighter than my face, and if I want to go with products as light as my neck, it will look too light on my face. But this one, even though it is not giving me that warmth, that even though it says it's warmth, it's giving me a more neutral finish, because it still does not also blend perfectly into my neck, because my neck is still very warm as well. So it's just like very tricky. However, when it comes to finish, the Juvia's Place give a more radiant finish compared to Estee Lauder one. Estee Lauder gives a lot more matte finish. When it comes to coverage, the Estee Lauder gives fuller coverage than the Juvia's Place. With the Juvia's Place, I can still see some of my dark spots, you know, around my jawline area here, under my jaw here, under my cheekbone area. I can still see I can still see some dark patches, while on the Estee Lauder side, I'm not seeing much, and I do have, the only thing I'm seeing here is this big bump that I have here, and it's just, yeah, it just gives better coverage than the Juvia's Place. So, and yeah, this is it, guys. We're going to finish up now together, just so that you can see how we are going to try to make this work at the end of the day. So let us go on now to apply concealer. And for concealer, I'm using the same one, KVD. And let's see if we can correct
Something great up,
all
moving
these
with the
miss
flavor. Every bit I
colors that we
savor.
have on my face.
Moving up's the only way I'll go. I'm in my own head, can't blame what I did. Had to learn how to make all of these pieces fit. Used to hanging on, used to play
So guys, this is how we are looking so far. Everything is coming together. Like, I can hardly tell that I have two different products on my face. The concealer, the bronzer, and the blush has really blended everything together. So I just want to do reverse contour here. This is a step in makeup that some people get wrong. So if you're really not comfortable in doing it, just leave it. So we are going to set the face, and I'm going to be using the same. I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. For lip, I'm going to be using, I actually picked out, based on my board, I have Juvia's Place lip. So I think it's okay that we do Juvia's Place lip here. So I'm going to be using their lipstick in the shade Mademoiselle and the pencil in the shade Luxy Line, in the shade Lush. It's alright, I know which way I'll go. It's alright, I know which way I'll go. It's alright, I know moving my way up. So this is very, very bright. I'm going to deepen it a little bit more with the Juvia's Place liner in the shade Brownie, because I really want that bright inner. Then I'm going to top it up with a clear gloss, and it's still Juvia's Place. Looking for my way out here, I can't be somebody, but I know I can't do it alone. When you feel you hit the limit, so you wanna lead a party, but scared that nobody will be home. Can't believe I left you, baby. I saw you there and froze up. I felt naked. Now I see you every day, but I can't speak, man. I wish that I could fake it. When I walk by her, I start feeling like you guys did not tell me that my veil was in and out. I know, how are you supposed to tell me, right? I just went down to like fix my wing liner, and I noticed that the thing, no wonder it was not sitting well. Let me fix this and come back out. Oh my goodness. And I feel like at the end, I have filmed the half part of this look like that, and for my reels. So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? This side, I still feel like the warmth is coming through more on the products, like the products I applied here, like my bronzer, the blush, and this is the Juvia side. It's more pronounced than they are on this side of my face. I don't know if I'm the only one noticing it, but when I'm looking at you guys up front, you can't really tell that I have two different products on my face as base, because every other thing that I have used have really tied it all up together. Let me know which part is your favorite, or which of the products is your favorite and the finish you love better. Yeah, and let me know if you want to see more of this side by side look. What next? Suggest for me a product or two products that I should use side by side so that we can compare on here, and if I should continue with contents like this. So this is where we come to the end of this tutorial today. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.